Hey everyone, I'm Huda, passionate makeup artist and online makeup instructor. In today's video, I want to demonstrate a very easy halo eye makeup look for hooded eyes using the new Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. This look can be an inspiration to your last-minute holiday makeup look as well. So let me explain this technique briefly before we move to the application. The halo makeup technique is called after the term halo because we have a halo-like bright, shimmery, sparkly eyeshadow pigments focused on the center of the mobile lid, which opens up the eyes and gives the look overall a pop of glam. Now, what makes this halo technique a little challenging on hooded eyes is the hood itself, which is basically the skin that is covering your eyelid space. The less lid space you have, the more probable is the fact that the halo or the pop of pigments in the center cannot be seen once the eyes are open. To help you to make that beautiful pop of color more obvious and visible, I created this tutorial. Without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. First of all, we need to open up lid space by creating a smooth surface while priming our eyelids with a concealer. Then we apply our transition shade called Radiate. We apply it on the outer corner up until the above crease, which is a little over the crease line. Leave a space in the center of the middle lid for the shimmery shade later on. We first pack the lid with the shade using an applicator brush. We pack the same shade in the inner corner of the eye again up until the crease line and a little above it. Then we take a tapered blending brush and start to blend the shade in the crease in sweeping motions. Next, we take our classic blending brush and blend the transition shade on top of the crease line further outwards to the temples and slightly create a V shape on the outer corner. Make sure that all hard edges are softened. Next, we switch to the darkest shade called Aura and apply it with an applicator brush on top of our transition shade. This time, do not go too far from the crease line preferably, just apply the shade up until the crease line. Once the lid is packed with enough pigments, we start blending with a tapered blending brush. Now apply the darker shade on the lower lash line with the smudger brush, again leaving a gap in the center for the shimmer. Then use a classic blending brush without any product on and blend outwards, creating a V shape on the outer corner. So now comes the crucial step for hooded eyes. Apply a thick layer of concealer with a concealer brush on top of your center lid close to your lash line. Now open your eyes and look relaxed straight into the mirror. When you close your eyes again, you can determine up to which height you should apply the shimmery shade so it can be seen on open hooded eyes. Now spread the concealer in the center of the lid evenly and set it with translucent powder. Apply a little concealer also in the middle of the lower lash line. Then we apply our shimmery shade called Self Love with an applicator brush or our finger on top of the concealed parts. Then go back to your lower lash line and apply the same shimmery shade on the gap in the center of the lower lash line. We can also use another shimmery shade in the middle of the hard edges and then blend. I additionally applied the shade Abundance. That will create a nice looking transition as well. To blend the hard edges between the dark and shimmery shade, we take our tapered blending brush and blend the hard edges on both sides in sweeping motions. To make this look sultry, I use black kohl liner in my upper and lower waterline. If you have small eyes, maybe use a beige or white kohl liner instead. Then apply some mascara for more defined lashes. It's optional to use false lashes. Opt for natural looking lashes with a thin band. That's it basically for these festive halo eye makeup. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button, comment down whether you're inspired to try out this simple festive halo eye makeup for hooded eyes, and subscribe to my channel for more hooded eyes tutorials like this one. Thank you.